Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join AnkerMake affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in AnkerMake affiliate program. Now navigate to this link that says affiliate program -AnkerMake US. So click on this link and you'll be promoted to this page. On this page, click on the Start Earning button and you will see these options. So you have the option to get started with Share a Sale or Impact.com. So choose any one of these that you're familiar with by clicking on the Get Started button. When you click on Get Started, you'll be promoted to another page. So I just clicked on the Share a Sale link. Now, if you're not a member, you can sign up by entering your username, password, country and confirming the password, then clicking on the next step and filling out the form further and logging in to your Share a Sale account. Then you can search for AnkerMake on their page and you'll be able to join AnkerMake's affiliate program with Share a Sale. If you are signed up on Impact.com or you want to use it, click on the Get Started button just below the Impact logo and you will be promoted to this page. Now on the next page, simply sign up for Impact.com or log in if you already have an account. And after logging into Impact's dashboard, you will have to search for AnkerMake affiliate program and you can join AnkerMake from there. So simply navigate to affiliate programs page on AnkerMake and get started with Share a Sale or Impact.com. So that's how you can join AnkerMake affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.